Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Merit. Merit means quality of being good. For example, composers of outstanding merit. Composers of outstanding merit. Synonyms: excellence, goodness, standard.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Civil servants should be recruited on merit alone. Now, repeat after me. Civil servants should be recruited on merit alone. The second exemplar. England's top sides are where they are on merit. Now, repeat after me. England's top sides are where they are on merit. The third exemplar. The selectors deserve credit for picking 14 players on merit. Now, repeat after me. The selectors deserve credit for picking 14 players on merit.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
Scraunched is the longest English word with one syllable, along with the archaic word, strengthened. Scraunch is the sound your car makes on gravel.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.